first ever swap on YouTube. And the girl's name, I'm standing on my tippy toes because her box is huge. Her name's Keisha. She's another YouTuber. We never met before. This is how we first started talking. She wanted to do a swap. We're both crafters. And I'll give you a few tips throughout this video about shipping. Okay, she spent $30-some to ship this to me at the UPS store, $34 and something. She used a box that was 3 times too big, she told me, because she didn't have a box at home, so she bought this at the UPS store. And as you can see, there's little ridges in the box. These ridges mean you can make the box smaller if you desire. You just take a knife, slice that area, fold it down farther, and the price is going to be less. For instance, we're swapping Memorydex trays. Okay, I didn't even know what a Memorydex tray was before this swap. So I did my research. I have a video on how to make a Memorydex, and a Memorydex holds memories in it. Okay, so my box was much smaller, and I kept it at 15 ounces or less because that's less than a pound. A pound is 16 ounces. If you keep it under 1 pound, it's gonna be just a few dollars. I shipped it far, far away, cross country, so did she, and mine was only $6 and something shipping. So if you plan properly, you can save a lot of money. Another way to save money is go to the post office. If you don't have a box, you get a free box at the post office. And that box, you can ask for a flat rate box. Okay, a flat rate box, you can put as much in it as you want. Okay, no matter what the weight is, wherever it's going, it's gonna cost the same amount of money. All right, I wanna see what's inside of this though, so let's check it out. Okay, if you don't know who I am, I'm the classy cheapskate. If you want to know why I'm wearing a robe, it's because I'm the classy cheapskate. I work 7 days a week, and I don't have time to do laundry. I don't have time to pick out an outfit, okay? So this robe was a gift, okay? It was free, okay? So you wear a robe if you can, if you work from home, and you never have to pick out an outfit. Do you know how much time that wastes? You could be making money. You could be working. You could be crafting. Okay, now let's get into the video. All right, we're gonna open this bad boy up. We spent quite some time getting our swaps ready. Oh my, I don't wanna slice through her project. I'm kind of scared. Actually, this knife scares me big time. Should I open it from the bottom? Gotta be so careful here. I know somebody who sliced right through their leg with a knife because they went towards their body. We don't want that. Okay, so for our Memorydexes, I chose, sometimes you choose the same subject, okay? But we decided to be different, and she went with kind of a spring theme, and she loves purple. And for me, what she made for me, I wanted World Traveler. She said that that was a challenge, like, and she was ready for it. Ready for that challenge. Okay, so I think I can rip it open now. So yeah, like I said, this is my first ever swap. I'm excited because, ooh! Oh, I collect these. Airbags. That's probably another expense because, yeah, it's not UPS branded though. Oh, I'm already seeing something fun. And also, when you do a swap with someone, let's say you feel like that you just really like that person. Well, we swapped our birthdays, I think. I put my birthday on my Memorydex card. So if we want to send each other birthday presents or just gifts like at Christmas or Valentine's Day, we can do that. And it just makes you feel loved, and you can give love, you know? I'm saving these. Save your boxes that you get from Amazon because you can use them for shipping. I gotta be careful. Do you know what I should do is put this on a chair so I can just pull everything out for you guys. And let's get a zoom in shot. Okay. I'm going to like pull stuff out. Okay. Aw, there's sloths on it. I love sloths. Oh, and you know what she told me? So this pen, I remember these from when I was a kid and I love them. You can pick any color you want, okay, to draw with, and I can keep a journal now. This looks so cool. Oh, she told me she liked shakers. And now I didn't make her a shaker, but I may make her one for Christmas or her birthday and send it to her in the mail. But a shaker has like little glitter floating around in it and stuff. You can make them yourself. And I have a laser machine. Okay, it can cut wood and such. So I can make her some pretty cool stuff. All right, what's this? Oh! Crafter's Square. That's funny. I actually sent her. Oh, and by the way, I'm obsessed with feathers. Like, I literally make costumes out of feathers, so the fact that she gave me feather stickers is so cool. These are 3-dimensional. And glittery, and I love glitter. I got her butterfly ones. She loves butterflies. So, like, when you do a swap with someone, you can tell each other what you like or what just, like, makes you so happy. Okay, next we've got, oh! She wants me to be cool. These are Color Street. Oh, I think I've heard of Color Street. These are petite real nail polish strips for your fingers. So now I can bedazzle myself. Thank you, Keisha. Okay. What's this? Oh my. This is like a feather shape, and it can also be like a leaf shape, and you can hook it on your purse. That's so cool. People will be like, where'd you get that? And I'll be like, Keisha. And she's from Texas, I think. From what I remember, she's from Texas. Okay, what else? Oh, I don't want to actually rip the... Okay, so we traded Memorydex trays. And I don't want to accidentally rip her tray when I'm pulling this stuff out. They're handmade and it takes a while to make one. Yeah, you can trade anything you want, but we also said that we were gonna throw extras in because we like more fun. Okay. Oh my. I think she made this. That's gorgeous. Yeah, she made this. You put it in the Memorydex. This is the literal, it's a backpack. How cute is that? Oh man. Wow. So I think I have to open it up. Ooh. Yes, her name's in it. And yeah, she told me what her nickname is too, because her real name isn't Keisha. That's her nickname. But she's from K Royalty Crafts channel on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description. And she gave me her address and her birthday and her Instagram and her YouTube, and she likes purple and bling and glam. And she put a prize in for me in the backpack. Wait, let me just make sure there's no more. I don't think there is, but this is like a deep pocket. So I'm probably not gonna, I don't know, I can't tell. But this, oh man, this is cool. Wow. All these little flowers are 3-dimensional. It got a little banged up in shipping, but it goes right back into place. Okay, I bet mine got a little banged up too. That happens though. I've been shipping for years and you can't, no matter how careful you are, you know? So these are little sloths. Now this might sound gross, but like you can tell if something's glass by hitting it on your teeth. It's not glass, it's plastic. Glass makes a more shrill sound. I learned that when I was a kid. An older man taught me. It was my father. Okay, so this is covered in resin, these little sloths. And then we've got little seashells with, aw, tiny little pearls inside. That's cool. Really cool, Keisha. She even kind of went with a color theme here of like teals, blues, just tropical colors. I love it. Oh, this is really adorable. I always wanted leaf ribbon, but this is even cooler because it's got twine. Oh, wow. I gotta see where it starts though. That's hard finding the beginning of a roll. Sometimes you just have to kind of just cut right in the middle and just start unrolling it. But I'll find it. Oh, I did. Look at that. I was always tempted to buy ribbon, but this one's twisted. It's even more deluxe. So cool. All right, here we go for the big to-do. Ooh, look at this. We need to make room to show this off then. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Okay, so we went with fancy feet on our Memorydex trays because that just tops it all off. She actually got elephant feet, which I have no clue where she found them. I never saw anything like that. That is so cool and puts it over the top. She did explorers all over it. Now, when I did my tray, my sides, it was my first tray. This is not her first tray. She's a professional, okay? Oh, she even used the twine on it. How cute. So she made hers taller, and because of that, she could decorate it. Mine was short, because the sample that I looked at on the internet, on how to make one, was only a short one, so I couldn't do much decorating. Oh, she even put moss inside. Oh, wow. That's just so cute. Very cute. It smells like Keisha. Okay, now let's do... Okay, so let's just do one final zoom in on here. And I think Keisha would be up for more trading if you wanted to ask her to swap with you or anything like that. If anybody has a good idea and wants to do a swap with me, I think I'd be up for it. So, leave a comment, click like on this video. And what do you think? Should I send out a freebie to somebody once we hit 100 likes? When we hit 100 likes, if we do it, it has to get to 100 likes. And it has to get there by a certain date, or I'm not doing it. Okay, so anyways, thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate, and happy crafting and happy swapping, and meet a lot of friends. Over and out.